Hello everyone! In today's video, I will teach you how to make money by writing articles and other types of content. You won't need any technical skills or money to do this, and you won't even need a social media followers to make money from it. This is a top-notch strategy that no one really talks about because of how complicated it can get. But don't worry, that's why I am here to help you take the next step and start making money online. Keep in mind that the strategy will only work if you follow the directions correctly. If you make a mistake, the procedure will most likely fail. So pay attention carefully and perhaps take notes so that you can be productive and earn money online. Now, watch the entire video until the end if you want to learn how to put this money-making strategy into action. Alright, so now let's get started into this video. I want you to go to moneypantry.com to get started, and you will be directed to this website where you'd find some money-making tips and money-saving tips. They only showed you that to give you some context so you'd understand how it relates to the current method. Now, open a new tab and go to moneypantry.com/get-paid-to.write/. Make sure you spell it correctly because if you don't, you will be redirected to another page. Now, you'll notice on the page that you can get paid to write by using the websites listed on this platform, which will pay you a lot of money for each blog post that you create. Isn't that awesome? Moreover, if we scroll down, there are several writing jobs to apply for as well as wide variety of topics to read about. So for today's video, I'd like you to click this button over here and then keep watching the video to keep track of the steps of the method to complete. After you've made your selection, you'll be taken to a page of writer's guidelines where you will find all of the information you need to know about what to write so that the content of the blog post you write is in line with this. When it comes to writing your own article, the steps are simple. First, assess how much time this writing work will require to you, and then conduct research. Read a little about the topic and possibly look up other articles on the same subject. Copy it and send it to spinboat.com to be edited so that it appears as if you wrote it yourself. Some jobs posting pay by the article while others pay by the individual assignment. Imagine taking on all of these projects, working hard on each one, and then making a fortune as a reward for your efforts. It's as simple as that when you use the strategy I showed you. You don't even need to seek similar jobs on Google because everything is already on here. Make sure to read all of the instructions thoroughly because it will save you a lot of time and energy. Here, additional tip on how to write great articles if you stick with me and watch the video until the end. I want you to go to Quora.com since this will be the major source of all materials you'll use in the articles you will be writing and submitting. You can log in with your Google or Facebook accounts, or you can create a new account right now if you don't already have one. Additional tips. You don't need to create an account in Quora.com because you will only search topics or discover materials for your articles on this site. Just copy what you discover and then go to spinboat.com to have it paraphrased or reorganized so that it seems as if you wrote it yourself, avoiding copyright difficulties. This is a great way for newbies to make money online. Imagine earning a significant amount of money simply by copying and pasting articles. That really says something when you work smart with your time. In my opinion, that is the best thing by investing your time in the right money-making method. And that's it for today's video. If you love similar content like this, take a look with my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, please feel free to comment down below. See you on my next video. Bye and happy earning everyone.